Hey everyone, today, we're talking about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence with a focus on a popular name you've likely heard, ChatGPT. We'll be exploring its history, development, current capabilities, and of course, some of its limitations, challenges and problems. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the history of ChatGPT and how it came to be. ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI, a leading AI research company founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and others. Their mission was clear: ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. The development of ChatGPT began with earlier models like GPT-1, introduced in 2018. This was a groundbreaking moment, as it showed how powerful language models could be in generating human-like text. GPT-2 followed in 2019, with even more impressive language capabilities, though it wasn't fully released at first due to concerns about misuse. Then, in June 2020, GPT-3 was released. This model took the world by storm with its 175 billion parameters, making it the most advanced language model at the time. ChatGPT, built on GPT-3, was launched in November 2022, allowing millions of people to interact with this AI through conversations. Finally, GPT-4, released by OpenAI in 2023, is an advanced language model that improves on its predecessor, GPT-3, in several key areas. GPT-4's advancements make it more capable and useful across various industries, but it still faces challenges related to accuracy, bias, and energy consumption. Now, let's talk about the hardware and software behind ChatGPT. ChatGPT runs on some of the most advanced computing infrastructure in the world. On the software side, ChatGPT is based on the Transformer architecture, which is key to its ability to understand and generate human-like text. This architecture enables it to process vast amounts of data and learn complex language patterns. The model is trained on a wide range of internet text, but it doesn't know specifics like private user data unless shared during conversations. In terms of hardware, the computing power behind ChatGPT comes from high-performance GPUs, graphics processing units, running on powerful servers. These GPUs are crucial for training and running large AI models like GPT-3. OpenAI uses cloud services, including those from Microsoft Azure, to host ChatGPT's infrastructure. The sheer scale of the data processing and memory involved in running this model is staggering. About its data centers, ChatGPT is primarily hosted in data centers that are spread across various regions globally, most notably through partnerships with Microsoft Azure. These data centers are strategically located to ensure low latency and high availability for users worldwide. They also help ensure redundancy in case of failures. However, this comes with a cost. Running massive AI models requires enormous amounts of energy. ChatGPT servers operate 24/7, consuming electricity equivalent to powering thousands of homes. As more AI models and users connect, the environmental footprint of large-scale models like ChatGPT becomes a significant concern. Although companies like OpenAI and Microsoft have invested in energy-efficient data centers and renewable energy sources, the power consumption of such AI systems remains a major issue. The exact electricity consumption of ChatGPT servers and hardware facilities is not publicly disclosed by OpenAI. However, it is estimated that large AI models like GPT-3 consume a substantial amount of energy due to the high-performance GPUs required for both training and inference. Some estimates suggest that training GPT-3 alone may have consumed hundreds of megawatt-hours of electricity. After training, running the model for millions of users around the world involves even more ongoing energy consumption, as servers must handle real-time queries and processing. Now, let's dive into some of the limitations and challenges of this bot. Despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT is far from perfect. First, let's talk about accuracy. While ChatGPT can generate highly coherent responses, it can also produce incorrect or misleading information. Since the model doesn't have a true understanding of the world, it may confidently present wrong facts. Another issue is bias. ChatGPT is trained on large datasets from the internet, which can contain biases, whether they're related to gender, race, or other sensitive topics. OpenAI has made efforts to reduce these biases, but they haven't been completely eliminated. Then there's the matter of context. While ChatGPT can follow conversations fairly well, it sometimes loses track of context in longer discussions. This means users may need to repeat or clarify their points to keep the conversation on track. We also need to address scalability. The more users engage with ChatGPT, the more servers are required, which increases both costs and environmental impact. So, what does the future hold for ChatGPT? We can expect continued improvements in accuracy and contextual understanding. Future iterations might be able to better understand complex subjects, carry out multi-turn conversations more effectively, and even help professionals in fields like medicine, engineering, and education. Another area of improvement is real-time learning. Right now, ChatGPT doesn't learn from individual interactions in real time. However, future models may incorporate this feature to provide more personalized and up-to-date responses. Lastly, OpenAI and other developers are focused on making AI models more energy efficient and reducing their carbon footprint. With advancements in technology, future AI systems could operate with far less energy and making them more sustainable. In summary, ChatGPT is an incredible tool with huge potential, but it's not without its flaws. From its massive energy consumption to limitations in accuracy and bias, there's still a long way to go. But as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the years to come. What do you think the future of ChatGPT and AI will look like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to watch our future videos. Thank you for being with us.